Here are names of some birds. Let's read them. Okay, birds. Parrot, peacock, crow, crane, cuckoo, nightingale, hen, sparrow, pigeon, eagle, kingfisher, woodpecker, hornbill, duck. Children, can you read the names of birds? Well done. You like many birds, don't you? Arun, which is your favorite bird? What? Parrot. Okay, nice. Priya, what about you? Peacock? Oh, peacock, the dancing bird. Okay, children, I also have a favorite bird. Do you want to see my favorite bird? Look, children, can you identify my favorite bird? What? Sparrow? No, it's not a sparrow. Cuckoo? Not here, it's not a cuckoo. Okay, I will tell the name of my favorite bird. It is a nightingale. രാപ്പാടി. നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിലൊന്നും ഈ പക്ഷി അധികം കാണാറില്ല കേട്ടോ. കോൾഡ് കൺട്രീസിലൊക്കെയാണ് ഈ പക്ഷി ഉള്ളത്. Okay, children. Now look. What is the color of my favorite nightingale? Yes, it is brown in color. Now, children, is it big or small? It is a small bird. Now look. It's big. Is it long? No. Is it curved? No. Then it is thin. Okay, children. Its beak is thin. Children, do you know about its food? What? Fruits. Yes. Then nuts. Okay, very good. Then small insects. Okay, it eats nuts, fruits and small insects. Dear children, do you like my favorite bird? Okay, nice. Hi children. Now, shall we read about my favorite bird? Okay, listen. My favorite bird is a nightingale. It is a small bird. It is brown in color. It has a thin beak. It eats fruits, nuts and insects.